Welcome to our channel. Using Venmo for in-store purchases is convenient once you activate the feature. Here's a quick guide to get started. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Sign into your Venmo account with your username and password. Ensure your account is verified and has a linked payment method. Step 3. Tap on the Pay or Request button, usually located at the bottom center of the app's main screen. Step 4. Look for the Scan option or the QR code scanner icon. This feature allows you to make in-store payments at participating merchants. Step 5. Add a payment method to your Venmo account if you haven't already. You can link a bank account, debit card, or credit card to fund your purchases. Step 6. Enable location services for Venmo if prompted. This helps you find nearby stores that accept Venmo as a payment method. Step 7. At the store checkout, tell the cashier you're paying with Venmo. They'll either show you a QR code to scan or ask you to show your Venmo QR code. Step 8. Complete the transaction by scanning the merchant's code or letting them scan yours. Confirm the amount and authorize the payment in the Venmo app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.